Delicious and super easy bacon, spinach, and pesto pasta. Let's go make it. Right, so we're going to start with some bacon. Mine is quite finely chopped. If you're vegetarian, you can leave it out, or you can put some mushrooms. You could also use chicken, or I suppose smoked marlin would be great. So we're going to render that down a little bit and then add our next ingredients. Sizzling like a treat. Okay, that looks great. Really quick and simple, lovely dish. I'm going to turn that heat down a bit. And I'm going to add some garlic. Oh, that smells so nice. Just toast up the garlic a little bit. And then we'll go in with the spinach. I've used the frozen spinach, but you can put fresh. Oh, this is coming together wonderfully. I've already cooked my macaroni, so cook it how you like it, or use whatever pasta you want, actually. Okay, now we're going to do something that might seem a little bit weird, but I'm going to pop a knob of butter in there, because we're going to make kind of like a spinach and pesto sauce with our bacon, obviously. I just find it's easier to do it like this. It's no fuss, really. So put in a bit of butter, corn flour. I'd say I'm probably using about 2 teaspoons. Should be enough. You can use regular flour as well. This is not a picky thing, it's pasta. We're going to incorporate that corn flour, and then we're just going to add the milk, and you'll see it'll form a lovely sauce. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And with the milk, I've got, I don't know, that much. It's probably a little less than a cup. Depends how much sauce you want, how creamy you want it. And then I'm going to crank that heat up a little bit, get that cooking. Yeah, it doesn't look much now, but it'll look great. Trust me, it's going to taste amazing. So we just wait for that to thicken up a bit. If you find that it's still a bit too thin, you can add a bit more corn flour, but mix it with a bit of water or milk first. If it's too thick, add a bit more milk. But this is looking great. You want it to basically start bringing that spinach together. So instead of looking like a vegetable, it starts becoming more like a sauce for our pasta, because it doesn't know it, but that's what it is. Oh, this is looking great. I'm going to chop up some cheese, ready for the next step. Okay, so I've got some mature cheddar, because I like a cheesy pasta, but any cheese would work, or you don't even have to have the cheese in this one. Mozzarella would probably be quite nice. It would give a nice sticky note. Oh, look how lovely that looks. Tilt it your way. I mean, you could just, steaming up. You could just eat that on bread, or as a side vegetable even, I suppose. That would probably be wrong. Right, at this point I'm going to crack in some black pepper. I haven't put any salt in because it did have the bacon, but taste it when it's finished and you can add salt later. And what's really great about it is this is the pot I made the macaroni in. So then I tipped it out and did the sauce. So it really is a one pot kind of thing. All right, I said pesto pasta. So let's get in with some pesto. Okay, this is a beautiful basil pesto. I don't know if you can see that. I'm quite a fan of pesto, so I'm going to put quite a bit. But do watch out, because it can bring some bitter notes, each to his own taste. That's going to enhance that beautiful green color. Oh, and it smells already like an Italian feast. Oh, wow. Can you smell? Oh, the pesto now coming through. Oh, that is good. And we're almost done. Just got to put in our macaroni. Right, so here's the macaroni that I cooked earlier. So I'm going to throw that in there. Really great comfort food and super easy. And you could garnish it with some bits of bacon, or I suppose some basil leaf, gratings of parmesan. Serve it with a bit of a side salad. Or you could just eat it from the bowl, or you could just eat it from the pot. Nobody's judging. And he's not in this house. That looks incredible. I'm just going to wait for that macaroni to heat through, and I'm going to serve myself a bowl of it. One step back. Give it a little taste before you serve it in a bowl, just to check that your seasoning is all right. See if you want to add more cheese, maybe a squeeze of lemon juice. This for me is great. I did give it a taste and it tastes incredible. Right, so there you go. Beautiful weekend comfort food. Or food that you could put on a plate and zhuzh up with a bit of salad and garnish, and great date night food. Pretty impressive looking and amazing tasting Italian food. And you don't have to be scared of it. It's easy to do. Let's go eat. Hot. That's wonderful.